enthusiastic volunteer ranger. And right behind me, I have specimen VEL008, also known as Stacy. Now Stacy over here is a big gal. She is a dinosaur, but can anybody tell me what kind of dinosaur she is? Anybody? Yes. Raptor, that's right. Everybody give them a round of applause.
Raptor.
That's right, folks. She is a velociraptor. Now, what that translates to, it translates to swift thief or swift Caesar. But don't worry, guys. She's not here to take any of your bags or wallets. But she is here to take photos. So if you want a photo with Stacy, just line up over there. And my friends in the black and orange will be more than willing to help you out. Now remember, guys, she is a wild animal. So approach with care. Stay as calm as you can. And keep all arms, legs, feet, or children to yourself. That's just how you take a bite out of there. And trust me when I say this. And she likes all you use to walk the left jaw. So look at that song. Alright guys, if you don't need to be scared, she is safely inside this later. So if you look over there, you've got 50 regular shark teeth. So you're going to talk to 30 at the bottom. I think that board is ready and I can go backwards to the top. Now what these teeth are able to do is
Dam, video tayo dinosaur?
And also be very careful of that tail over there. Now you do not want to get swiped by that super long tail right there, because I see it. It takes up 1/3 of their body, and what this tail is able to do is able to either swipe or stop or even kill their prey. That is super useful tactic, but this tail, just you guys know, can also be used to help her counter balance herself, lower her center of gravity, and counteract the inertia built up on high-speed chases. And that's because velociraptor's Latin means swift thief or swift Caesar, which means she can travel up to 150 kilometers per hour using that super agile tail over there. And this tail also helps her to better move and maneuver and keep her agile on her feet. And speaking of feet, velociraptors are also bipedal animals, which means they rely on their two hind legs to better propel themselves to high speeds in under 3 seconds flat. It's really amazing. But you know what that means as well? With these super strong legs, it also means that she can jump up to 2 stories high. Isn't that amazing, guys? Look at that, guys. She goes weird up enough for her claws to make an appearance. Now she's showing off a bit of her manicure, but don't be fooled, guys. Those claws. Oh boy, those claws right there. They're super sharp.
Alright, look here, ready. 1, 2, smile.
Now it's able to
Hang on, one more. Very nice.
And it's also used
Thank
to
you.
climb on larger dinosaurs. So in fact, velociraptors hunt in packs. Here at Jurassic Park, we have 5